Hello everyone, I am Satyaprakash. Today we'll be doing our arcade adventure networking. Give it a little time to open. Now as you can see, this is ARC232. Let's start our lab first. Hover over to task 1. Now as you can see, my lab has started. Let's go over here and copy this. Now let's open our incognito mode and paste our adventure code over here. Now give it some time to run. Now it is asking for us to enter this code. Now here the adventure arcade code is net. Copy it. Now paste over here. Next, just submit it. Now you can choose anything. Let's go with virtual private cloud, hub spook topology, add a redundancy, and you got your points. Now go to assessment. Sorry, assessment. Now submit your assessment. Now just move back to your normal window and you will get a lab assignment code over here. Just copy it, alt tab, and just paste it and submit, and you will get the congratulation on your screen. Let's end our lab. End it. Satisfied. End it. Now just check.